two heroes fighting flames during the wildfire outbreak in Stillwater.
They put their own lives in danger to save their neighbors' homes. News 4's Mecca Thompson is in Stillwater with the story.
Families living at this Stillwater RV park were sure their homes would be taken by the wildfires, but two residents stayed behind to fight the flames and save the homes of many.
I never thought about anything. When the fire started, I just looked it over and I felt like I could handle it.
Dan Keller is one of the brave residents living at Pecan Valley RV Park, stepping in, putting his life on the line.
With this high wind and the angle of that fire, it was coming straight here.
I just couldn't believe it. I was just like almost still in shock that it was still standing.
Janetta Linder recently moved to the RV park and left town with her husband and animals to escape the wildfires.
I remember looking back and like, it could be replaced if need be, but it would be wonderful if it stayed.
And it did. Keller says he and another man named Jay had no choice but to save the park as the wildfires erupted and a propane tank exploded.
I just walked up to it and pulled the tanks and brought them out to the street and went to the next one, pulled the tanks, got them out the street, got the water hose and continued to wet this one. And it worked as it needed to. You know, we didn't lose any control. You're welcome, it's my pleasure.
Linder and the rest of the community in awe of Dan and Jay's bravery.
Some people might say it's just a camper, but no, this is our home away from home.
There was no panic, there was no anything. I looked at it and went to work and I said we can save this park.
In Stillwater, Mecca Thompson, Oklahoma's News 4.
Oh, good for them. Thank you, Mecca. Sadly, they were not able to save one home there, the home of the park owner, Eddie. He didn't want to go on camera, but says all that matters to him is that his tenants are safe.